Well, since I'm trying to fix this Sattley up to make it run so I can try and sell it, well, play with it before I sell it, I got to rebuild all of this here custom just to make it run. So the contact for this Model T coil is this old saw blade from a hacksaw, and then the contact for it is a cutoff from a broken old C-clamp that has a bolt in it for a point, and then drill and tap a hook for this spring, and then this spring hooks this latch up. So the ignition circuit, if I take the plug back out, because I have the plug loose to try and, so it pushes the exhaust valve pushrod open slightly, and then this is top dead center, and that's where it touches the contact and fires, and then when it gets to bottom dead center, it releases that latch and pushes all the way open for the exhaust stroke, and then on intake it retracts and catches on this hook again, and then compression, and it touches and fires, and then at the bottom of the power stroke it unlatches again. So the buzzcoil fires the whole time it's got power, so it has power during the entire power stroke. And on these old engines, a buzzcoil is nice for slow running because it maintains a spark the entire time that you might get a power stroke. So if it doesn't ignite with the first spark, the buzzcoil continues to put spark into the cylinder to make sure you get ignition, or you have your best chance of ignition for the entire stroke. And of course, if the ignition happens right away, it doesn't matter if the coil keeps buzzing. So, but yeah, all this is custom built, bodged together because it was missing from the engine when I got it. And then there's a braze on one of the bearing caps. This bearing cap was broken and got brazed by the previous owner for the repair, but since I didn't ever run this on load, that repair isn't important really. But yeah, Montgomery Ward Sattley, they used Model T parts like a lot of cheap engines of the time because they were convenient and easy to get, and that way if you broke down you could go run to the local Ford dealer instead of having to mail away for replacements.